Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add custom fonts to Canva. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to dafont.com. Browse the collection and choose the font you want to use. Click the Download button and save the file. Once the download is complete, open the folder and extract the font files so they are ready to upload. Next, open Canva and create a new design or open an existing one. Click on the Text option and add a text box to your canvas. Select the text, open the Font menu, and scroll down until you see the option to upload a font. Click Upload, then choose the font file you just extracted. After the upload finishes, your font will appear under Uploaded Fonts and also in the search results. Select the font, type your text, and adjust the size and spacing as needed. Your design will now use the new font style. So that's basically how you can add custom fonts to Canva. That's it for this video today. Thanks.